So over here in Google Vids, you can go ahead and then insert out charts as you need. Let's say, for example, you can go ahead and add in shapes, as you can see, as you want, and make the chart as you want. But what is easier is if you were to go ahead onto Google Drawings and then make the chart there. So over here, you can see that the Google Drawings right here has specific drawing tools right here, just like this. And if you want to learn more about Google Drawings, then you can check out my playlist on that as well. So over here, what you can do is you can go ahead and make out the graphics as you want right here. And what you can actually do is you cannot directly import out a Google Drawings project onto Google Vids, but what you can do is, let's say, for example, whatever Google Drawings you have, you can select out all, press Ctrl C on your keyboard or right click and copy, and then go ahead right here and press Ctrl V, and all the elements with editable properties actually come up right here, just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can simply go ahead and integrate out the diagrams that you have made in Google Drawings inside of Google Vids easily. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.